and I'm with the VMA Martial Arts. Our table, we have a whole bunch of activities that we do with after school kids. We keep them from the time we pick them up from when they get out of school to about 6 p.m. We run Taekwondo classes, we do activities, group activities, snack times and stuff like that. We are year round. We keep them during fall break, winter break, spring break, stuff like that. You know, good for give the parents a break and have the kids have some more fun times. We do dodgeball, fun activities of that matter. Our number is 270-872-7378. If you call that number, we have Drea or Jamie that will answer the phone, and they can give you all information and costs on what we got going on.
Hi, my name is Nurse Dawn here at Vine Grove Elementary, and we offer the Healthy Kids Clinic. It's an extension service, part of school nursing. So we also have like nurse practitioner services, telehealth. We do sports physicals and immunizations to really keep up with your kids' healthcare needs. There's also vision and dental that will be offered too. And so that's what the booth is. We're just here to promote a better, healthy environment for the kiddos.
My name is Jessica, and I'm with Girl Scouts of Kentuckiana. We're here at Vine Grove Elementary School, their open house, here to show about Girl Scouts and what all we have to offer. I'm also advertising for an event that we have coming up. It's called Taste of Girl Scouts. It's on August 21st at Freeman Lake. It's a free event with lots of activities, so come on out and check us out. If you ever thought about joining Girl Scouts, you can reach out to Girl Scouts of Kentuckiana and speak with our customer care, get registered there.
I am Barb Loop. I am going to be the cafeteria manager this coming year, and I am helping parents know how to fill out the application process and how to open their child's account to get money put on it so that they can come through and eat their lunch every day with us, and encouraging them to breakfast is free and to come join us for breakfast every day.
I understand.
Can we take a photo?
No, what we're doing is giving this information to you.